Hello, this is Breezaire Products. Today, I will be walking you through on how to replace a SIII controller. First, we want to turn off the power to the system, either by unplugging the system or turning off the breaker if replacing the controller on a split system. After the system is off, we will start by removing the screws. Once the screws are removed, we are going to pull the SIII controller out. To remove the quick connects, we can use either a flat screwdriver or needle nose pliers. We will remove each wire one at a time to the replacement controller. A wiring diagram will be sent with the replacement controller if needed to help guide you on where the connections go. Once all the connections are connected to the replacement controller, push the wires out the way and slide the SIII controller back into its position. Lastly, reinsert and tighten the screws. This will complete our video on how to replace the SIII controller. If you have any questions on how to replace the SIII controller, please give us a call at 858-566-7465. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe